We are tracking an incredibly tense and high-stakes situation right now as the historic Artemis II mission hurtles back toward Earth, following its completely successful lunar flyby, but the extraordinarily brave crew is now facing a massive and unpredictable new obstacle waiting for them down below. After traveling hundreds of thousands of miles through the freezing dark void of deep space, the Orion spacecraft is currently locked onto a trajectory to return our astronauts safely home, but the final stage of this monumental journey is proving to be incredibly complicated. The complex re-entry process will officially begin when the capsule violently punches through the extreme upper layers of Earth's atmosphere at an astonishing 400,000 feet directly above the Indian Ocean. From there, the spacecraft will streak across the sky on a sharp diagonal angle, skipping across the atmosphere to effectively bleed off its tremendous orbital speed, before eventually aiming for a highly precise splashdown zone located right off the coast of San Diego, California. However, Mother Nature is clearly threatening to throw a massive wrench into these carefully calculated plans today. NASA meteorologists are currently tracking a highly concerning weather front moving directly into the primary landing area, and the environmental criteria for a safe recovery operation are unbelievably strict. In order to get the absolute green light for this specific California drop zone, there can be no rain or severe storms anywhere within a 35-mile radius of the target. Additionally, the surface winds must remain remarkably calm and stay completely under 29 miles per hour, while the unpredictable ocean waves cannot exceed 6 feet in height. These incredibly rigid safety parameters are absolutely vital because United States Navy recovery teams and specialized rescue helicopters need relatively calm waters to safely approach and extract the astronauts from the bobbing capsule. Right now, the active forecast is getting way too close for comfort as an approaching storm system is actively kicking up potentially dangerous showers, rising wind speeds and swelling ocean waves that are currently hovering dangerously close to that critical 3 to 6 foot limit. Artemis Landing and Recovery Director Lily Villa has publicly stated that they are constantly evaluating real-time data, and they do possess a highly complex backup plan if the California coast becomes totally compromised. Because the Orion capsule features highly advanced guidance and navigation systems, the flight controllers can actually alter the spacecraft's flight path while it is still actively descending. They are viewing the entire atmospheric entry path across the massive Pacific Ocean as one giant contingency line, meaning they can strategically choose to splash down early at any alternate location where the skies are clear and the waters are perfectly calm. We are currently just days away from this monumental and highly dangerous return, and the entire global space community is holding its collective breath, hoping that the incredibly volatile weather breaks in our favor. The lives of these historic astronauts depend on absolute precision and perfect environmental conditions during these final terrifying minutes of flight. You absolutely need to stay tightly locked to our coverage as we track this incoming storm system and the final approach of the Artemis II crew. Hit that subscribe button right now, smash the notification bell, and stay with our channel as we bring you the absolute latest breaking updates on this incredible journey back to planet Earth.